Oh, hey there. Nice to meet you. I'm Ari. Hey, Ari. My name is Paul. I'm from New York. And who's your friend? Oh, this is Tom. Tom, Ari, Ari, Tom. Hey, Tom. It's nice to meet you.
Say something.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
I'm New York. I'm from Tom.
What was that? You really need to learn how to introduce yourself in English.
When you meet someone for the first time, one of the most important skills is knowing how to introduce yourself in English properly. But before we start, I have a favor to ask you. Like and subscribe to the channel because that would really help me a lot to create more videos for you. In this lesson, we're going to learn exactly that. And I'm going to show you 5 simple steps. Step 1 is greeting. This is where you simply say hello. If it's a casual situation, you can say hello, hi, how are you? If it's a more formal situation, you can use these. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And please never ever start like this. What's up? Yo, howdy. Step 2. This is where you say your name. And there are a few different ways to tell people your name. One of them is this. My name is, and then you say your name. Or you can say, I'm, and then you say your name. For example, my name is Michael, or I'm Michael. However, if your name is too long or a little difficult for others to say, you can say, you can call me, and then say your nickname. For example, my name is Michael. You can call me Mike. Step 3. Basic details. Now you have greeted the person and told them your name. It's time to add some basic information to your introduction. You can talk about where you're from. Say, I'm from, and then the country. For example, I'm from Italy. Or you can talk about where you live. I live in, for example, I live in Milan. Another useful piece of information you can include is your job or your studies. You can say, I work as, and then mention your job. For example, you can say, I work as an electrician, or I work as a teacher. Or you can say this, I'm a, and then name your occupation. I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm a nurse. If you're studying something at university, at a college, or at school, or maybe high school, you can say this, I study engineering, or I study architecture, or any field of studying. And of course, it's a great idea to mention your hobbies, the things you like to do in your free time. For example, I like, I enjoy, or I'm really into, and then the rest of the sentence. Let's give some examples. These are your interests. For example, I like playing basketball. I enjoy traveling. I'm really into electronic music. Step 4 is adding some extra details. Depending on the situation, you might want to make your introduction a little longer. For example, you can talk about your purpose, why you are there. You can say, I'm here to, and then mention your purpose. Give your reasons. For example, I'm here to learn English, or I'm here to find a job. You can also talk about how you feel about being there. For example, I'm feeling excited to join this group. Another thing you can add is a fun fact about yourself. Something really interesting that people might like to know. For example, I have 2 cats. Well, I don't actually have 2 cats. I have 1. It's just an example. But if you have pets, this is a really fun thing to mention. Or maybe you can add another fun fact. Something like this. I speak 3.5 languages. That's a fun fact about me. Now, step 5 is ending. You want to finish your introduction nicely. You can simply say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Or if you want to sound a little bit more formal, you can say, it's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Or you can say something like this. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very happy to be here. Now let's put everything together. First, greeting. Then, your name. After that, basic details. Next, extra details. Finally, ending. Great job! Now let's take a look at a few example introductions. Hey there! I'm Daniel. I'm from Barcelona. I'm a photographer. I love hiking on weekends. Glad to meet you. Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm from Australia. I study engineering. And in my free time, I love playing basketball. Nice to meet you. Good morning. My name is Michael Carter, and I'm from the United States. I work as a teacher. I enjoy reading books, and I'm very happy to be here.